Hello friends, hope all is well at your end. How is the weather over there? In India, it's very hot. We are going through bad summer this year. And we are always craving to have something cold, nice and refreshing. So here you can see some fruit. They look like grapes though, but they are not grapes. They are called jamuns in India. They are purple, blackish in color, sweet and tangy flavor they have. When you bite them, the tongue becomes purple. So kids enjoy eating them. And then they have a look at their tongue. It's so much fun. We used to do that also when we were kids. So these can be eaten as a fruit, or you can also make a lot of dishes, drinks with these. You can make ice creams, you can make raita, salads. Many such dishes can be made and relished in summer. I've already made some and I will share those links with you in the description box. You can check them out. And today I'm going to make jamun shots. Though they are going to be non-alcoholic, but a lot of ice, so they are nice and refreshing. But if you want in a party, when you're entertaining, you can add gin or vodka and make alcoholic nice shots for your friends. So today let's get started and make non-alcoholic version. You can refer to the ingredients list in the description box. Wash the jamuns very well and wipe them dry with a cloth. Now cut out the fleshy part, discarding the seeds. This deep purple fruit is widely cherished for its unique flavor, sweet and tart. It is also a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. Jamun fruit has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for centuries. Now the cutting is done. Let us prepare the shots. First, let's get the shot glasses ready. For this, spread some salt in a plate. Add little chilli powder and roasted cumin powder. These taste so well together. Mix them and spread them around in the plate. Now take a lemon, cut it into half and make a slit on it. Pass it through the glass rim so that it becomes wet and lemony. Now dip them in the masala mixture so that the rims are coated. Perfect. Repeat the same with the other glass as well. Now place these glasses in the refrigerator so that they get chilled by the time the juice is ready. Now put the jamun pieces into the grinder jar. Add salt to taste. Organic brown sugar, 2 tiny spoons. You could also use jaggery or normal sugar. Quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder. This is optional. If you have, use it. Quarter teaspoon roasted cumin powder. This gives amazing flavors. Quarter teaspoon Kashmiri chilli powder. It gives a lovely color and slightly spicy taste also. Add some ice cubes. Now add quarter cup of chilled water. Close the lid and blend them together. Wow, beautiful. Look how the color has changed. After blending, it becomes deep purple. Now pour it into the chilled glasses. Beautiful. Cool and refreshing. Enjoy. So friends, make these shots. As I mentioned, these are non-alcoholic shots. If you want it in a party, you can add some alcohol like vodka or gin. So the non-alcoholic jamun shots are ready. Let's do the tasting. Look at the vibrant purple color. So appetizing. Amazing. This fruit has got a unique taste. Sweet, sour, tangy, and it's somehow very, very different and delicious. If you find this fruit, you should try it out. Cheers, everyone. Thank you for watching. Click the links here and check out some of my older recipes as well. Stay tuned and have a lovely day.